Hello boys and girls, welcome back to Friday Night Garage Night. So tonight, well this week we've been doing the rear step on the van and the valance and the closing panel. So I'm still waiting on parts coming from my machine now. It's been about a week for the rear corners. So once they come, we can get it on, and then that's it ready for the spit. So we can get that all done as well. So like I say, we'll do all that just now, let you see that happening. Some of the footage I've got missing with the spot welder along the step, but you get the gist of it all. Get what I mean? You know, you'll probably see it all finished anyway. So, like I say, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Right, next job on the list is we're going to replace the step for the rear. Replace the closing panel, and then the rear valance as well, and they've all came from M machine. So what we're going to do, I'll start to take these spot welds out of here off the floor so I can get the closing panel off. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to cut this off along here, and so I can get the rear valance off and give me better access to the closing panel. So we'll crack on with that. Right, as you can see, I've got that in place now, roughly in place, and what I've done is I've drawn a line on the edge of this panel, this new panel along here, and I've come back 10mm for my for the joggle, so I can get that done and joggle it, and then it'll be nice and flush from the inside of the van. So we'll crack on with that, get this cut out, get it all stepped in, and then we can show you the next stage. Right boys and girls, that's that step in now. I've lost the contents for the welding. It's just the spot welder welding in place, you know, but you see me doing the step and cutting it all out and stepping it down to get this in place. So I'll let you have a look and see what you think. So like you see, I've got it in now. So she's got all the spot welds all along here. So she's looking not too bad actually. Maybe see it from that angle too. You know, but what I have noticed as well, this is going to be a challenge up here on that roof. You see that it's coming right out, so it's been bashed in from the doors have been pulled out or something. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the rear valance on now and the closing panel. They've all been dressed and go through primer as well on them as well, so they're all ready to go in. So we'll crack on with that just now. So let's see how we go on. Right, boys and girls, that's me finished now for the week. So I'm going to let you have a look at this back step now, have a look and see what you think. I've still got to do some holes and that for the lock, for the door locks. So we'll turn this camera around and show what we've been up to. As you can see, I've got the step in now. That's all done. Both sides. And then the top with the spot welder. And that's where the plate will go back in there for the lock. They go back in. And then again for the valance. So it's turned out alright. And then on this side, on the corners as well. So she's looking alright, she's turning out not too bad. So like I say, I'm just waiting on these bits coming now from these corner sections coming from my machine. That's been about a week. So hopefully they'll come next week and get that all sorted out. So fingers crossed. Yeah, so that's me done. That's me done for the week. So hopefully those panels and that will come for the finish off those lights, and then the next stage will be to get it on the spit and finish off the welding underneath and get it all stone chipped and all the rest of it. So thanks for watching this week. It's been a great progress this week. So I'm happy with that. So like I say, stay safe and we'll catch you again next week. Bye for now. Bye bye.